don't know why it turned off. It just turned itself off. I don't know. It's not that hot in here, so it's not that cold in here neither. Alright, so anyway, I'll just tell you guys about this part. That we already got a plate ready for it. This piece. And I gotta go in through, take this piece out of here. I don't know what that is. So we gotta go and clean that part up, clean the doors up. Yeah, this side is a mess. Alright, let's get started before the camera decided it wanted to take a union break. Be right back. Alrighty. Let's get this thing on the road. So we're gonna put you. You can get that there. Now I gotta turn it all the way up. There. So. I like to spray the handle too. The old tip. It works better if I put glasses on. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Now I can see. Alright, let's get it done. Alright guys, hold on for a minute.